Right, you are really testing my patience now. I swear to God, you are testing my patience. Sir, right, I'm going to have to arrest you in a minute.
He called himself a traveler, not a driver. She couldn't quote the law, but kept pushing authority. One man stood calm, armed with words. One officer clearly losing control. This wasn't just a stop, it became a standoff. Every question he asked cut deeper, and in that silence, the system looked exposed.
Sir, you are speeding, and I have pulled you over for speeding.
What's your badge number? Can I see it?
You can have my badge number, it's 14291.
And what's your name?
PC Millington.
Alright.
And I have pulled you over. Keep filming. See?
Yes.
Coming down Cartway. Speed. I've had the miles an hour catch.
Oh yeah, you had to, but I wasn't speeding. You had to speed up to me.
Do you know what? This is 40 miles an hour. You're doing 20 miles over the speed limit.
I don't think so. I don't believe this.
Up till I you over. So what you've done is renewal offence, and I have every right to you over.
Is this a crime? Offence is not a crime.
You have been speeding in vehicle, which is why I do completing and moving.
What laws say I cannot speed? I'm traveling. I'm not driving.
What speed?
Because travelers don't, follow any regulations. We don't have to. Magna Carta 1215 says, chapter 6. Chapter I think is 13. One of the chapters says a traveler can travel on Queen's Road unhindered. Yeah, those laws only apply to drivers, not to travelers, sir.
What speed that you were doing, sir?
I think I was doing about 50 miles an hour, only because I was catching up to someone. I wasn't checking my speed. I was driving, trying to catch up to a carpool and just...
Who are you catching up to, sir?
I don't know, some car driver in front of me.
You know, as an adult, that this is a 40-mile-an-hour road, yeah?
I'm not local, so I don't know this road, how far it is.
It doesn't matter if you don't know the road. There are signs on the road that tell you what the speed limit is.
Well, when I come out from the junction, I didn't see any signs. The signs were maybe further away.
Sir, responsibility, your car, stand up.
Only if I'm a driver. This is a private vehicle I used to move between point A and point B.
I don't care what type of car you're in. What I'm telling you is you're speeding. You're making it
if I was speeding...
You're making it very, very difficult. I've asked you to get out of the vehicle so that I can have a chat with you.
No, I don't want to get out of my vehicle.
It doesn't matter what you want to. I need to check out the vehicle. I need to check you out as well.
I know my laws, alright?
What?
I know my laws, rights.
I know the law.
No, you don't know the law. You don't know the law because you cannot discern between driver and a traveler.
I don't mean by
exactly, so you don't know the law.
What do you mean?
I'm a student of the law. Excuse me. I study law. I know.
A motor vehicle on a road, yeah, you stick to the speed limit. Do you understand that?
I wasn't driving.
You wasn't driving this vehicle?
No.
No one else had?
No, I'm traveling in my private mode of motion.
Hey, stop trying to be clever. You're driving a car on a road.
I'm being clever because I'm smart and you guys are not. This is because you don't know the law.
I don't know the law. You don't know the law, mate. Why you sat there with your phone trying to be clever? What worked it?
I'm a Freeman.
What are you doing to make yourself out look like an idiot?
I might be an idiot, but I won't be ridiculed by likes of you.
You're speeding and breaking the law.
Maybe I was for a second, maybe
So
for...
you just admitted on your little camera that you're recording that you broke the law and you're speeding on a road.
I didn't break any laws, because there's only one law. Do not harm your brethren. Yes, and his things. Yes, that's the only law. No, come on, law grants me that law. Did you say that? Did you just say that? I'm sure you're kind of comfortable being in the court, because I'm taking you there if you do something to me.
What?
I will take you to the court if you do something to me. I wasn't speeding. I was catching up to a vehicle in front of me.
Undertaking, tailgate.
Tailgating.
The highway code.
I wasn't looking at the signs, what was this limit. I was just looking at the cars, how fast they were going, and I wanted to go as fast as those cars. Mate, I'm tired. I've been at work 9 hours on this Easter holiday. I'm a security officer. I want to go home. Please let me go and I will obey wherever you want to tell me. I'm sorry I was speeding for like maybe 100 meters, but I haven't even noticed that because I was comparing my speed to the other cars. That's all I have to say. I will say no more. I have no idea, mate. I don't know. I bought it 3 months ago. I haven't checked it yet. I bought it 3 months ago. Don't know where it is. Really, honestly. No. I want to be helpful, you know. I want to be helpful, you know. I'm not really aggressive or angry with you, you know. I stopped right away when I noticed your lights.
I appreciate that.
You know, I just... Of course, but you also... Also, alright, but you know,
So you need to get out of the vehicle.
No, I don't have
to. Sir, you need to get out of this vehicle now. I'm on a busy road and I can't be standing talking you through here.
No, leave my keys.
Get off.
I'm not letting you in. I know my laws. I'm not letting you in. I'm not consenting to anything you want from me. I don't have a driving license with me because I'm a traveler. I'm not required to have one. I can give you, I can give you my name, no problem. My address if you want.
Yes.
Lucas
So
bed.
we need to do this because it's dangerous where I am right now. So I want you to get out of the vehicle.
No, but we can move
now.
over there if you want. I'm
No.
not going
I'm not
out of
letting
my
you drive
vehicle.
This vehicle now.
If you knew your laws, you knew you can't
Sir.
ask me to go out if I didn't
Come out
commit
of
a
the
crime.
vehicle for me.
I did not
Because
commit
you're
a crime.
putting me and my colleague in danger.
No, you're putting yourself in danger. You're putting yourself in danger.
No,
Lady,
sir.
be kind.
No,
I'm trying to
sir.
be helpful. Do you
I'm
want my
asking you to
name?
get out of the vehicle.
Do you want my name? You're perfectly safe behind your car. It's alright, but I can give you my name. I'm really helpful, and that will be against you in the court of law.
Sir, I really just don't think you know what you're talking about.
Exactly, because you're a police officer, not a judge, not a lawyer,
What
so
do
you
you
don't know.
do?
I'm a security officer, but I study law because I want to be a lawyer and get
Sir,
people.
you're not going to be a lawyer.
Oh well.
You will not be a lawyer.
I'll be a great lawyer because I will not follow the system, you know.
So you've got a lot.
Of course I do. I know that. I know that, but I know more than you about law.
Give me your name now.
Lucas Bedrock.
L-U-B-E-D.
CASBEDROCK.
Okay.
ROCK.
What's your date of birth?
4th of May 1982.
4th
Of May
80.
82.
82.
Yeah.
And what's your address?
It's Walsall.
What?
Walsall.
W-A-L.
WALSOLL.
Yeah.
Yeah, WS1 1EM.
What?
WS1.
Right, sir, get out of the
No,
house.
no, no, no. WS1
Right,
1EM.
right, you are really testing my patience now. I swear to God, you are testing my patience, sir. Right, I'm gonna have to arrest you in a minute.
Well, did I commit a crime?
You are right.
No, I am not.
Fail and comply with.
All I need to do is open the window that much. I open it twice as much. You can hear me very well. I'm sorry. I'm tired. My voice is weak.
I'm very tired. I've had a very long night shift, and I'm on my
It's-
way back now to the
look.
station. I want to go home.
All right, me too. Believe me.
Give me your address.
I'm giving it to
I
you.
can't hear you, you idiot. Give me your address.
WS1 1EN. It's 57 Terret TERRET close.
What area is that?
Black Country, West Midlands.
What are you doing in Manchester?
I'm working here in Gay Village, and I have
Hey, I
to.
need the VIN number on your vehicle. You're not going anywhere.
If it's not outside, I don't know where it is.
Well, you need to find out. Otherwise, you ain't going nowhere.
Well, this car is perfectly.
Oh,
Mate,
sir.
lift the bonnet up.
Yeah, I can open the bonnet. On the right side from the center, Italian car.
No.
Okay.
Putting on telly will be gas fine.
Are you gonna sign that charge?
I don't sign any. I don't sign
No, if you give a ticket to someone, you should sign it, right? That's fine. I like 20 of them PCNs. I don't pay them because I'm a traveler, and no rules, apply to me. Just like gypsies do.
Call yourself.
No, I'm gonna say I'm a traveler, and I use a similar system gypsies do because they know they're freemen on the land.
No, like not.
You're saying we are not freemen? Yes, if I was a citizen, but I'm not. I'm just a permanent resident. I'm a Polish national.
You're
But
an idiot.
of course I am. I'm such an idiot. I went to court with council tax and I won, and I haven't paid it for 2 years.
Well, how do you understand that?
Why?
You're a big idiot.
I understand that. I understand. You might lose your job for what you said here.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Just before I leave, I'm letting you know that you're a big idiot.
Why?
You're an idiot.
Why?
And I'm telling that you are.
Because I'm telling you truth.
Just because you think that you're a traveller, it doesn't mean anything to me. Understand
Exactly, because you're
that?
ignorant.
So you'll be getting through the post to understand.
Yes,
There'll be
that's.
some intelligence on our city.
No license shown, no ID handed over. Still, he never flinched. She warned, threatened, circled, but he stayed grounded. What started as a simple stop revealed something bigger. Power doesn't always come from a badge. Sometimes it comes from knowing where you stand. And this man, he stood firm. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more real stories that matter.